Okay, so what is combination reaction? A reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a single product. So these reactions are called combination reaction. Another example is also burning of natural gas. Natural gas, that is methane, CH4. Burn, that is burn in the presence of oxygen to form carbon dioxide, water, and energy is also released. Now we have seen that in this reaction, okay, so we know that when water is added in a quick lime, slake lime is produced, and during this reaction heat is also released. In this reaction, burning of natural gas also energy is released. So during the reaction energy is released. This type of reaction is called exothermic reaction. It is known as exothermic reaction. Okay, so what is the exothermic reaction? A reaction in which heat or energy is released is known as exothermic reaction. Right? That is burning of natural gas. So during this reaction energy is released. Also respiration is also exothermic reaction. Respiration, that is when we eat the rice, potato or chapati, then from this in this food carbohydrate is present and carbohydrate is converted into glucose. When glucose, this C6H12O6, that is glucose, when glucose reacts with the oxygen present in the cells of our body to form carbon dioxide, water and energy is released. So from the food we obtain energy, and this energy we used in making work. This energy we obtain from the food and energy is used in we use in a different work. Okay, now our next topic, decomposition reaction. See this activity. In a test tube, take a crystal of ferrous sulfate, that is FeSO4. The crystal of ferrous sulfate is in green color, and when it burns, then after some time the color of ferrous sulfate changes and the smell of characteristic odor of burning of sulfur is produced. That is when ferrous sulfate FeSO4, it is in a solid form. Crystals, they are in solid form, and when they are heated by using burner, then to form ferric oxide, that is Fe2O3 in solid form, and characteristic smell of sulfur dioxide and sulfur dioxide is produced. Characteristic smell is formed due to the production of sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide gases. Now we have to balance. Here there are two atoms of iron, so here we balance Fe atoms, 2 Fe, 2 sulfur, here there are 2 sulfur, oxygen 2 plus 3 5 plus 3 8, here also 4 to ja 8, so equation is balanced. So now what is the decomposition reaction? So in a reaction, a compound splits into two or more substances. This reaction is called decomposition reaction. Another example, when calcium carbonate, it is known as limestone. It is known as limestone is heated then to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide in a gaseous form. Here calcium oxide is quicklime. So when calcium carbonate is heated to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide, that is a reaction in which a compound split into two simpler substances. This reaction is called decomposition reaction. So what is the definition of decomposition reaction? So a reaction in which a compound split into two or more simpler substances. These reactions are called decomposition reaction. Now another example, see this activity. When silver chloride, that is AgCl, kept under the sunlight, so this silver chloride turns grey, converts into grey color. Okay, so when silver chloride it kept under the sunlight, it turns grey in sunlight. Why? Due to the decomposition of silver chloride, it converts into silver and chlorine by light. That is 2AgCl when sunlight is passes through the silver chloride to form silver and chloride. This is also decomposition reaction. Now here we can see that here the silver chloride absorbs sunlight. Here when heat is given to ferrous sulfate crystal to form ferric oxide and sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide gases are formed. Here when calcium carbonate is heated to form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So here we can see that when the energy given to the substance, it is energy is absorbed during the reaction, this type of reaction is also known as endothermic reaction. That is endothermic reaction, that is the reaction in which energy is absorbed. It is called endothermic reaction. So endothermic reaction, that is a reaction in which energy is absorbed, is called endothermic reaction. Now what is displacement reaction? Now in this test tube, first of all we make the solution of copper sulfate, that is copper sulfate CuSO4, copper sulfate. This copper sulfate it is in a solid form, crystal form, and its color is peacock blue. Peacock blue. So first we make a solution of copper sulfate, its color is blue, and add the iron nail in this solution of copper sulfate and kept this test tube in atmosphere for some time. Then after some time we have observed that a red color of copper is deposited on iron nail. Why this happen? When iron nail, iron, that is Fe in solid form, iron nail is added in a copper sulfate solution, it is in aqueous form. So what happened? The red color of copper is deposited on iron, that is copper is released and FeSO4 is formed, and means that when iron nail is added in a copper sulfate solution, after some time the color of copper sulfate changes. It turns in a light green color due to the ferrous sulfate, and copper is released, and this copper is deposited on iron nails. So why this happen? Because iron is reactive than copper, and iron displaces copper from the copper sulfate solution, and copper is released, and also a ferrous sulfate is produced. So this reaction is called displacement reaction. So a reaction in which a more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal from its salt, it is known as displacement reaction. So what is the displacement reaction? A reaction in which more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal from its salt. This reaction is called displacement reaction. That is iron. Iron is more reactive than copper. So iron displaces copper from its salt, that is its salt copper sulfate, and so copper is released, and this copper is deposited on iron nail, and copper is here in a solid form. Now another example is when zinc granules are added in a solution of copper sulfate. Also chemical reaction takes place and copper is released. This copper is deposited on zinc granules, and the solution of zinc sulfate is produced. Why this happen? Also zinc is reactive than copper, and so zinc displaces copper from its copper sulfate solution, and copper is released. So it is also displacement reaction.